Hello, Elmer Reviews here, and we're here with my friend Dan the Wolf.
Yeah, very funny. Ha 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 ha. But you know how to work this thing.
Yes, I know. Yeah, and we're going to watch Shin Ultraman, an English dub. Here we go.
Yes, very funny. Ha 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 ha. But does he really know how to work this thing correctly?
Yes.
Now you just hit play. After you hit play on that.
I got this, Dan. Let's see.
There's gotta be some Japanese things.
Yeah.
I almost have my sunglasses broken. uh, almost. Oh yeah, the Kaiju Tommy is doing that new ultraman thing. Usually you can't take this off. Sometimes. I've tried it before.
Here we go again.
I'm Captain Tomlin with the SSSP. We are assuming immediate command of this operation. We appreciate your cooperation.
Sure thing. Let's get the formalities.
You didn't use your cell. You didn't win your cell phone.
Cell phone's in your pocket.
How you gonna download this?
Its movements can be detected.
I got like an app on my my computer that can edit that.
Invisibility?
Oh, you don't
A
have to use
laser
your
would
cell
go
phone.
right through it.
No.
Light transmittance is almost
Last
100%.
time you did.
It can make its cells reflectionless, reducing its absorption to zero. Heat and light weapons won't work.
If it's a bioweapon, it's meant for a more advanced civilization.
The target is stopped. Near Yoshua substation.
Why an electric substation?
Is that thing eating electricity?
Yeah. You know I can't buy you all stuff. I can only buy you see.
Yeah.
We would have trouble for that.
Bet deep trouble.
It seems to be revealing itself after it's had a still.
The invisibility makes even less sense.
After charging up, it reveals itself as an intimidation tactic. It makes sense. If it consumes electricity, we should shut off the supply. Get in touch with the power company. Let's get it shut down. When we cut off the power, it attacks the grid. What a nuisance.
Notice from the PPA. S-Class species number 7 has been given a name. The target is hereby known as Invisible Kaiju Noronga. Why is it named that?
The Minister chooses their names on impulse.
It's fascinating. I wonder how it's able to sense where there's electricity.
Maybe the kaiju is equipped with a quantum device that can detect the coordination of electric fields.
Begin a reconnaissance in force. Attack before it can cause further damage.
At its current speed, GPS-guided missiles aren't good bet.
No radiation detected throughout the organism.
Saturation bombing is an option.
Targeting its electrical horns would most likely prove effective.
Understood. Keep the armor in reserve. Focus missile fire on the horns on the road station.
Hold up, because We both
I don't
come
know,
from
Warner
similar
Brothers or
professional
something like that?
backgrounds.
No.
But being buddies is built on the foundation
Me.
of trust.
Oh, let me just
If
check
that's
the
hard
thing real
work,
quick.
hopefully you can earn mine.
Well,
Also, where's your report on the giant? It wasn't in my file.
I was unconscious. There was nothing for me to
Let
report.
me just check here.
You're already proving to be
It
a
says it's
useful friend.
made by
What do I call the other people here?
Cleopatra
Members of the
Studios.
SSSP.
yeah, that's what
No.
brought on the DVD.
I meant in terms of human conceptual thought.
Tokusatsu, whatever.
Super Riot too.
Teammates and they're ours.
Super Riot, yeah.
Our friends and colleagues.
Very interesting. Yeah, Kulisatsu and Super Riot.
How's the rookie? Top notch. She's quick to adapt and has excellent judgment.
Oh yeah,
She works fast, too.
Hideaki Anno,
She works fast indeed.
who did most of all my favorite works.
And she's concise.
He also did Shin Godzilla. He did not do Shin Godzilla. The other guy did Shin
Why
Godzilla.
Ultra? It's
He
code
got credit
top
for it,
secret
though.
information. The terminology is
Hideaki
a
Anno.
foolproof. From her
Not,
training.
not Shin
I like
Godzilla.
Ultraman.
Oh,
This
It
one
has a
again.
nice ring to it.
oh, this one,
I
yeah.
don't like the headache.
See, that's him right there.
Intel from NORAD and Yokota bases reached the White
Yeah.
House. The
That's
US has a
Captain
growing
Newton.
interest in the map.
Captain
When
right
it
there.
was kaiju, they only
Yeah.
offered to sell us weapons. But they want to be hands-on with an extraterrestrial. And they aren't the only ones. Must be fun to be a dominant country.
Aren't you glad I used this instead of my
Why do
phone?
I have to write up a report just to hand it over to the United
Yes,
States?
I'm glad you
Because
use
that's
this
what the
also
chief
instead
told
of
you
your
to do.
I
computer.
don't
voice
understand
putting
why
in
they
your
can't get the information themselves instead of relying on a vassal state like us to do it for them. It's not like we know
It's
all that
not
much in
nine
the
yet.
first place. 16
No, I
meters
know.
tall,
I'm just
and
checking up
pressures
something.
put him at 2,900 tons.
We know nothing about his beam weapons, how he flies, or why he's here.
We can't even tell if the guy's naked or wearing his species form of clothing. As it stands, we
Someone
don't
just
know
give me a
at all.
thumbs up on Messenger, real quick.
Everybody tries to. We're gonna do that. This is why I don't carry a
You're
phone
not being
around.
very considerate, partner.
Because people will be annoying.
Yeah.
You could have at least asked if I wanted one, or even better, just brought me one if you were getting one for yourself.
We are self-sustained individual organisms. We act for ourselves to address our own
No
needs
one
as required.
messes with me.
Society is larger than
Yeah.
individual efforts. Your coffee, the clothes you're
They
wearing,
will
they're
use
all
anybody
made
leave
of
a
someone
comment.
else. Because humans are social animals, and we depend on each other to survive.
I see. Much like a herd.
This guy is an imbecile.
They get earthquakes all the time in Japan.
No, it's really funny. And they do
The kaiju has
not.
just been reported in the Momoyama district of Kamakita City. The chopper will be here in 10.
I learn about Japanese culture all the time down there.
My first mission.
Yes, they also have.
The mountains again. There are always so many bugs out there. Hey, chin up. Time to show a little spirit.
Oh, that contact. Ugh. I know that's her thing, but she shouldn't be doing that to everybody.
Oh, really?
We should classify this one as a subterranean kaiju.
Subterranean?
Well, she should be only doing it to
I
me.
don't like this.
You know what I mean?
I know.
Number 8 seems to be pouring through the mountain, moving in a straight line. On the bright side, we could probably convert the tunnel it takes into a new expressway.
That might take longer than you think.
Oh, sure. Use the two city to go to a new railway.
And I'm detecting similarities between radiation-eating kaiju products and this new specimen.
You're right. It's heading straight towards a nuclear waste storage facility.
For real?
Let's make sure that everyone gets protective gear to wear just in case. Offer me. Continue surveillance on the radiation.
Rocket. Fine. 99% chance it's the same type of kaiju as Pagos.
This situation just keeps getting worse. I'll assume it's a case B scenario and report it to the chief. This situation just keeps getting worse.
Pagos, Naronga, Gabora, every part of their bodies were roughly identical, with exceptions made for the head and the back. as if those parts were interchangeable.
Until now, the kaiju have all been completely different from one another.
You see, I never saw this movie
Finished
in
my
theater.
reports,
He
and
never
there's
saw
nothing
this
to
movie
do.
in theater.
Our
Other
team
people
is on
saw this
indefinite
movie in
standby
theater.
for Ultraman's next appearance, so all
Yeah.
we can do for
And
now is
technically,
He's
we
only
should
ever shown up
we
to a
could have
limited
gone and saw
kaiju.
this movie in
Where's he
theater.
hiding the rest of the time?
But
The only
We
reason
only
he
saw it in
is to
theaters,
hide
so.
something of that size.
it was in the Carousel Hall.
How does he breathe and eat? Does he need to? Can he comprehend human languages?
Too
And
bad it
thoughts?
wasn't at the marquee, or we would have seen it.
Some civilians captured the
Carousel
fighting
Mall is a
explorer
little
on
bit long
camera and
distance,
uploaded
but not
video.
very
Now
long
the
distance.
entire world's a buzz about it.
Oh look, even Japan has YouTube there.
Oh,
Big surprise. Tommy
Alan.
Naga's out again?
Japan has
Yeah.
YouTube, but
Yeah,
their
it's not even
YouTube is not
fun.
as good as ours.
I wonder where he goes off to when he's wasting time.
Yeah.
I still have agency contacts. Maybe I'll check with them.
Where's your partner?
On his own without checking in again. Something tells me he has no idea what buddy even means.
The chief's down here instead of on the 5th floor. That practically never happens.
Fingers crossed it's not a bad sign. Wait, hold on!
No, please.
What's going on here?
We're not sure. You got anything? Well, Tuggy?
All the data in our system just got deep fried.
What idiot insisted on these regulations? A closed environment and no backup drives. But now I want to rip off their head and shake down their neck.
Didn't you just
Me too.
Who's
say
there?
what you just said?
I did.
She swore.
Forgive me, that
Yes.
was my fault. There is no cause for alarm. You already know that
This is why we have
extraterrestrials
a
exist.
PG for
You may call me
or
Zara.
R-rated.
And just like Ultraman, I am a visitor.
I know
from
exactly
another
what she said.
Consider me
Yeah, did you say
extraterrestrial
the
number
F word?
2.
How are you able
Yeah.
to get in here?
Tech. Yeah, that's
That
Probably
is a
not.
secret. I came here to attempt to communicate with you in a more direct fashion. That is all.
When you say communicate, you seem to already understand our language.
I have installed an advanced translation app in one of your handheld devices.
Ooh.
It allows us to speak.
Я хочу проверить ваш аппарат. Сейчас вы меня
he's not a
понимаете?
good guy. He's
But
lying to
This
everybody.
problem.
It seems to work.
When I materialized here to meet you, I emitted a
Yeah.
powerful electromagnetic
Every
pulse.
alien you
Since then,
see
I
here
was
is a bad
lost
guy.
in your current
It's the
predicament.
first
That wasn't
Ultraman.
my intent, I assure you. To make it up to you, allow me to fix everything that I damaged.
He is lying. He's trying to disguise himself to be good, but he's lying.
Oh, wow. How did you recover the lost data?
I was able to do it simply by thinking about it. It's a unique function of my physiology. Unfortunately, I cannot teach you how to do it.
Perhaps we could get to the point. What reason do you have to appear before us today?
I wish to establish a friendship with this country. Your planet
Do you
is
think
divided
he's
into
dead?
countries, yes? I wish to ally myself with this island nation.
He is
Why
not
did you
good.
choose Japan?
It is where I landed.
Zetan is
That
the
is the
last
sole
guy.
reason.
Not because Ultraman
Gotcha.
made it here?
If you would please let me speak to the one you call Prime Minister.
First there's a silver giant, and now there's a pint
Prime
sized
Minister.
extraterrestrial that can
Uh,
talk.
the Prime Minister.
is taking the meeting in secret.
Okay,
Nothing
we
surprises
have a
me
president.
anymore.
Okay,
I'm used to
Japan
the
has a
unexpected.
prime
If
minister.
other countries find out we have
An
an
emperor is
extraterrestrial
prime
we
minister.
can communicate with, it could complicate things. Apparently, he can generate
Yeah, and they're not
electromagnetic
always
pulses. Reporting
They're
is
not
taken
as
to
bright.
erase and manipulate electronic
No,
data.
they don't know how
If
they're
Sarah
countries.
is angry,
Really,
there will be global economic
being
chaos.
choked.
It'll be worse.
If you want to go, if you want to go that far to Vladimir Putin, in Russia's standards.
He's friendly. This could work well for us. If we're able to form a trade
You guys are fine.
with the rest of the world,
Yeah.
we dominate the
I hope you know every time you walk past you on camera. Yes.
Yep.
It looks like your hunch was right. The details of the agreement go beyond.
Yes, my dad is okay with that.
Practically one-sided. Japan will essentially be subservient to Zaire when it goes through. There's also been a data breach with intel leaked to other countries. My guess.
I record on YouTube anyhow.
The Ministry of Foreign Affairs is under a lot of back-channel.
Oh, I like
pressure.
to see.
In talks with the Prime Minister, Zaire have hinted at visiting other nations. He's better at political maneuvering than any human. I mean, he is an ET after all. And he's got overwhelming technology on his
This is
side.
my favorite scene where he,
Any
the
alpha
alien
technology
is in the
Zaire
car with
offers
him.
can lead to world domination on
Damn,
a
my
rapidly
heart's
scaling timeline.
Yeah.
So they want to form a quick treaty to gain the upper hand globally, without regard to how it's perceived by other nations. The motives of the people in power are the one constant you can rely on in this ever-changing world.
Here we go.
You just can't avoid the whole thing.
Curiosity killed the cat. It's in your nature as an intel
You want me
officer,
to,
but this time you've gone too far.
There you are, Sarah.
You want me to turn
Why are you playing secret
shut it
games
off?
with governments across the
No.
planet? What's your
That's
goal?
Mysteria.
The efficient elimination of native intelligent life forms. I plan to cause conflict between countries and have Homo sapiens.
See, I
wipe
told you
themselves
that
out with
this is my favorite
chaos.
scene.
Yeah, that's
When humans
Mysteria.
are patient,
Yeah.
they can be wise. You won't find it.
So when
easy.
you want me to turn off the
It will be if I
recording?
use the existence of ultraman to
When you
stop their
want
fear.
to, when it's time.
You aim to wipe them out. I want to know why.
Once a marker has been discovered on
Okay,
the planet,
folks, we're going to end up
intelligent life form
stopping
presence
this
must be eradicated.
footage right
That
here
is the
and stuff.
task I have
Uh,
assigned.
No, I'll let you go through it right after the scene.
Okay, sure. And after the scene here.
My
Gotcha.
goal is no different. Though the species is remarkable
Because
for
I
its
haven't done my
sophisticated
stuff.
intellectual
Telling you.
technological advancement, Homo sapiens
Okay.
are dangerous and have a proclivity for breeding unnecessarily. These factors make
Maybe
them
most
worth
that like
wiping
you've
out.
seen stars or
Maybe
something.
we agree to
Yeah,
disagree.
look at the stairs.
I apologize, but I can't allow you to do that.
Don't bother. For you see, you are already mine.
He's so dramatic.
Killing
Yeah.
you would be rather difficult. So instead you must be detained until I've completed my work. Now, it's time to sleep, Ultraman.
It's time to sleep, Ultraman.
How does he know that he's Ultra?
Because he's a species, because he's an interactive being.
Oh, look, he's like the Visible Man almost.
He can also
Oh,
do this.
yeah,
It's
huh?
time to sleep, Ultraman.
Not so much as a daily check-in.
Yeah, that's
Well,
really,
after a friend
that's
of mine went to
really,
GSIA to track him down.
that's like the,
Has it worked?
I mean,
No.
can you
I know
really,
avoiding tails was part of
that's
his
not really a
job.
great suit,
He even managed to show
Billy.
my elite former coworkers.
good billing power.
He's actually quite
None.
capable.
Okay, folks,
I wonder what
this is
Commodore
like
is
the
doing today.
end of the recording. We'll stop it from there. But thanks for watching Ultraman, Shin Ultraman for us.
He's
Yeah,
attacking it?
we're not gonna tell you the whole movie.
Yeah,
If we do that, we'll get copyrights and shit.
yeah. So anyway, this is Alice Moore signing out, and have a good day.
It hasn't been given, but rather someone above is halting it.
Captain, a counter